So many of you are probably thinking, what is math all about anyway? When and where will I ever use a quadratic formula? Who the heck cares about that, right? Absolute value? What? Factoring? Trig identities? Limits? Derivatives? Integrals? Double integrals? Triple integrals? What? This is dumb, and I'm probably never going to use math in my life, period. So why do I need to learn math? Besides, who's going to benefit most with this math stuff anyway? Not me. Miss Carol, you are wasting my time. And so now you're thinking, how am I going to get out of this class? Well, here are some answers. So what is math? According to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, mathematics is defined as the science of numbers and their operations, interrelations, combinations, generalizations, and abstractions of space configurations, and the structure, measurement, transformations, and generalizations. Wait, what? It's basically the study of topics like numbers, structure, space, and change. In math, we look for patterns. We make meaning of real-life phenomena, and then we are able to provide insight and predict outcomes. There are many different branches of mathematics. Some are algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, differential equations, number theory, probability and statistics, and the list goes on. When and where are you going to use math? Every day and everywhere. It's all around you. Everywhere you go, whatever you're using has math written all over it. Most simple idea? Money. Learn to count or you'll for sure get ripped off when you buy your next candy bar. Are you wearing clothes? Someone use measurements to make sure it fits the right way. Your shoes, your jeans, whatever. Have an iPhone, iPad, computer? Try making the hard drives of these devices without any math. You'll just have a bunch of scraps of metal and plastic. We all know you don't stand in line at Pizza Hut using linear equations to figure out the cost of a pizza, right? But someone somewhere has calculated how much they should charge you to ensure they maximize their profits and still make it affordable for you to buy in. If you're driving a car where the makers use zero math to make it, good luck. Please buckle up. Blueprints were made before any building took place. Angles and geometric shapes were used. Wheels are circles, hood tops are arcs, windows are quadrilaterals. Math is used to make sure every part of your car fits together. Math is used to determine the cost of the car, how much are the supplies, parts, materials, how many cars can we produce in a day, week, or month. So you see, even if you don't personally use math every day, although even subconsciously you do, math has been used in one way or another with anything you are connected to.
Let me live that fantasy.
So why do you need to learn math? In my opinion, why limit yourself? You're in school to get smart, so learn some skills that will benefit you in the future. You may choose that school isn't for you after high school, which is perfectly fine if that's what it's going to take to make you happy. But I definitely think you should give it a try just in case you do become interested in careers that depend highly on mathematics. Open yourself to more opportunities. Learn. Who is benefiting? When you get an A in my class and pass those tests at the end of the year, I benefit. Just kidding. You will benefit. Sell yourself with your skills in math and open a door to plenty of career opportunities. How are you going to get out of this class? You're not. You're stuck with me forever. No, just kidding. I only have you for a year. But seriously, I will work hard to give you the information you need to do well in my class. If you work hard and ask for help when you need it, do your homework, and study for my class, you will do great. You will get out of my class with the passing grade you've earned. So what can you do with math? Well, here are some ideas. According to the Wall Street Journal, being a mathematician is considered the best job of all jobs, with an average annual income of $94,160. You can also be an architect, design buildings that are functional, safe, and economical and make an average salary of $73,000. You can be an astronaut and work for NASA and make an average salary of $100,000. You can also be a budget analyst and develop, analyze, and execute budgets for big companies and make an average salary of $69,000. You can be a chemical engineer, use your knowledge in physical and life sciences in addition to math to convert materials or chemicals into valuable forms and make an average of $73,000. You can be a crypt analyst and help fight terrorism and work for the military or law enforcement to analyze and solve problems and earn an average salary of $76,000. The point is, you have choices, and you open up many more opportunities as you master more crafts, including math. Bottom line, you need to know the basics. If you don't like it, then you don't have to go that route, but give yourself a chance because you never know unless you give it a try.